Sony SF150 stands as an affordable 120-watt soundbar, and a fair alternative to the variety of big soundbar products. It looks like most of the box is occupied by soundbar. So we got remote control, 2 batteries, the plug. It has easy TV setup with optical or HDMI cable and music play with USB or Bluetooth. All that for affordable price tag. There must be some catch. So where is the subwoofer? I'm going faster. The typical long cylindrical soundbar housing all speakers, the inputs and the amplifier. On the top of soundbar are buttons for source and volume levels. Behind the soundbar you will find connection for HDMI, optical and USB.
The bar's compact form not only makes it easy to install, but also makes a minimal impact on your precious space.
It was quite easy to set up this soundbar. We used the digital optical cable supplied with soundbar, and the sound is very good and can go quite loud if you set up through the TV speaker settings. Sony made the remote very simple, with a lot of audio profile buttons, so there is no need for advanced settings, although it could have some button for bass levels. For its lightweight and mini price tag, it surprised me with an above average surround sound. The low bass sound were delivered with warm, deep, while the high tones on top came through loud and clear. It has ability to switch modes from cinema, music and voice mode. The best part is how this slim soundbar can produce such a loud sound. Admittedly, most of system fullness comes from only 2 bass reflex speakers.
We found that the Height SF150 still has very impressive sound. It's still the best value in terms of sound quality and features. The system's advantage is compact design with built-in sub-speakers. The Sony SF150 is good value for money, and is able to deliver a lot better sound experience than built-in TV speakers.